Welcome! Are you ready to elevate your bathroom? Today, we are sharing the top modern trends for this new year that blend styles and smart design. Modern bathroom design trends. Craft a clean, clutter-free bathroom. Remove unnecessary items for a cleaner look. Opt for a sleek, minimalist sink and cabinet. Use concealed shelves and floating vanities. Stick to neutral tones for a calming feel. Add dimmable lights for a serene ambience. Bring organic elements into your bathroom. Place potted plants for a fresh, natural vibe. Use teak or bamboo to warm up the space. Opt for stone sinks or pebble floors. Bringing the outside in with sleek, oversized windows. Choose colors inspired by nature, like sage green or sand. Transform your bathroom into a sanctuary. Install a rainfall shower head for a luxe feel. Install a freestanding tub for instant relaxation. Add plush towels and bath mats for comfort. Use essential oils or diffusers for a calming scent. Place candles, bamboo trays, and stones for ambience. Design a stylish, compact bathroom. Install tall cabinets or floating shelves. Save floor space with mounted sinks. Replace swinging doors with sliding ones. Reflect light to create a sense of openness. Use a sink with storage or a shower tub combo. Modern black and white bathroom ideas. Use black fixtures against white tiles. Bring in chrome or brass for elegance. Use herringbone or hex tiles to add depth. Reflect light with glossy black accents. Keep accessories simple to maintain a chic look. Before we start, remember, style is important, but your bathroom should also meet your daily needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips. Integrate smart features in your bathroom. Use backlit mirrors with Bluetooth and temperature settings. Add luxury with warm floors. Light up your shower with color-changing LEDs. Use voice-controlled lighting to adjust brightness hands-free. Add a waterproof sound system to enjoy music while you relax. Choose luxurious materials for impact. Use marble on vanities or floors for a rich look. Choose quartz countertops to enjoy a durable and stylish finish. Add clarity and sophistication with clear dividers. Choose gold or silver fixtures for timeless elegance. Add depth with textured or matte finish tiles. Elevate your bathroom with unique fixtures. Add pendant lights strategically for stylish illumination. Make a bold statement with large wall lights. Highlight cove lighting on the ceiling creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. Add a touch of luxury to elevate the ceiling. Opt for dimmer switches for a cozy atmosphere. Use bold hues to refresh your bathroom. Create a serene and chic look with navy walls. Use emerald or teal accents for freshness. Try terracotta or coral for a cozy feel. Install patterned tiles in a vibrant color. Pair bold hues with soft neutrals for harmony. Blend classic and contemporary styles. Pair vintage taps with modern sinks. Add a retro feel with Moroccan or mosaic tiles. Use clawfoot tubs for vintage elegance. Choose ornate frames to contrast modern lines. Use brass or copper for a timeless touch. These are the top modern bathroom trends to elevate your space. Which one's your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the bell for more design inspiration.